Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, sunroof, electronic stability control, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.